Hi friends, this is Krishnan from Kanakanagal team. Today we are going to see one of the important topic in aptitude section, that is simplification part 2. Okay, already we covered part 1 section. In part 1 each and every problems comes under with percentage. Okay, now we are going to see part 2 section. In part 2 we are going to see all the problems comes with square value, cube value and root value. Okay, let's move to the first example. 92 into 576 divided by 2 into root of 1296 equal to question mark power cube plus root of 49. Okay, let's move to the solution. The question will be like this. Okay, the square value, sorry, root of value, and they are asking the cube value. Okay, at first you need to find the root value. Okay, so what is the value for root of 1296? Okay, already one of my team member Mr. Senthil Raja covered how to find the square value in easy way. So go through that video, then only you can easily identify the root value. Okay, now I am going to find the answer for 1296 root value in normal method. Okay, 2. Okay, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, carry 1, so 8 2s are 16. Again take 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again I am going to take 2, 1 2s are 2, carry 1, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Again I am going to take 2, 8 2s are 16, 1 2s are 2, 9 9. Okay, take 2 value. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 9. Okay, what will be the answer? 2 into 2 4, 9, 9 into 4 36. So what will be the answer for root of 1296? 34. Okay, sorry, 36. Okay, let's move to the first step. You know the value for root of 49, that is 7. Okay, 92 into 576 divided by 2 into, already we simplify the value for root of 1296. Okay, that is 36 equal to question mark, that we can take x value. Okay, x cube plus 7. Okay, you know the value for root of 49. Let's move to the second step. We need to cancel the value. Okay, take 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, carry 1, 6 2s are 12. Okay, then take this value, 9 4s are 36. Okay, 1 4s are 4, carry 1, 4 4 1 6, carry 1, again 4 4. Okay, 144. You can directly cancel the value for with 9. Okay, 1 9s are 9, 1 9s are 9, carry 5, 54. So what will be the answer? 6 9s are 54. So 46 into 60 equal to x cube plus 7. Okay, at last we taken this value. Okay, now 46 into 16 minus 7 equal to x cube. Okay, what will be the target? We need to find the value for x. Okay, now no need to find the whole value, no need to multiply this value and all. Okay, comes with the shortcut way. As per the Bodmer's rule, we need to find the value at first in multiplication, then only you can subtract this value. Okay, see, take these two value. Okay, 6 into 6, what will be the answer? 36. So the answer, okay, the answer will end with the value of 6. Okay, so last digit value is 6. Okay, then minus 7, right? Then 6 minus 7, what will be the last digit value? That may be a 9, because take 36. Take the example of 36. If you need to subtract from the 36 by 7, what will be the answer? 16, here 2, so 9. So what will be the last digit value? 9. Okay. So the answer of x cube is, the value is end with the 9. Okay, last digit value is 9. So now go to the option. Okay, what will be the option given here? A value 3, 9 square, 9, 27, none value. Okay, so our target is, the end value is 9 for x cube. Okay, so for example, if it is value x cube equal to 1, okay, last digit with end with 1. Okay, so take 1 into 1 into 1, what will be the answer? 1. Okay, but our target is, last digit is 9. So if it is 2, what will be the last digit value? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So it is not possible. Okay, if it is 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So last digit is 7. So it is not possible. 4, 4 it is not possible. 5, it comes with 5 only. 6, 6 is not possible. Okay, 7, 7 into 7, 49. 49 into 7, 63. So the last digit value is 3. So it is not possible. Take 8, it is even value, there is no possible. Take 9 value. Okay, 9 into 9 into 9. Okay, 9 in 81. 81 into 9. So 81 into 9. What will be the answer? 9, 72. So 729. So the value end with 9. Okay, the last digit value is 9. So you can directly click the option like option C, because the last digit value is 9. So the value will be like 729. Okay, so no need to find the whole answer value. Okay, you directly move to the answer, because 3 is not possible. Okay, 9 square is not possible, because 9 square means 9 into 9, 81. So it end with 1 value. Okay, the mostly chance will be in 9 value. So you can directly click the answer is 9. Okay, let's move to the next example. This is the second example. Root 8 into root 8 whole power 1 by 2 plus 9 power 1 by 2 equal to question mark power cube plus root 8 minus 340. Okay, the question will be like this. Let's move to the solution. As per the Bodmer's rule, we need to find the value for bracket value, that is inside the bracket. Okay, so we need to find the value for root 8 into root 8. Okay, you know the value for root 8 into root 8? The value will be 8, because root 8 into root 8, we can take root 8 whole power square, right? So here square root will be the cancel. The answer will be 8. So root 8 into root 8 equal to 8. Okay. So 8 power 1 by 2, because root 8 root 8 will be the answer 8. Okay, plus 9 power 1 by 2 equal to, the question now we can take x value. Okay, right? X cube plus root 8 minus 340. Okay, let's move to the second step. 8 power 1 by 2, we can take 8 power 1 by 2 root 8, right? Plus we can take 9 power 1 by 2 root 9. Okay, equal to x cube plus, the right hand side root 8 will be the move to left hand side, so the sign will be changed, right? So you can take directly here minus root 8. Okay, equal to x cube minus 340. Okay, let's go to the third step. Root 8 will be cancelled, right? Because plus root 8, here will be the minus root 8. So root 9 equal to x cube plus minus 340, right? So you know the value of root 9. Root 9 will be 3, equal to x cube minus 340, right? So we need the value for x cube, right? So 340 plus 3. Can you understand? So 340 plus 3, 343. X cube equal to 343, right? So look at the option A, 7, 19, 18, 9. So you know the x cube value of 343. The answer will be 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, 343. So you need to the answer for cube value 1 to 10. Okay, you remember that value. Okay, so here will be the shortcut way is the last digit value is 3. So take 7 only, the last end with the last digit number is 3. Okay, because 7 into 7 into 7, 7 into 7 49, 49 into 7 49. So 9 into 7 63. So the last digit value is 3. So the most obviously the answer will be 7, right? Okay, let's move to the next example. 15 into 0.40 whole power 4 divided by 1080 divided by 30 whole power 4 into 27 into 8 whole power 4 equal to 3 into 2 whole power question mark plus 5. So the question will be like this only. Okay, so let's move to the solution. Okay, so we need to find the value of, so as per the Bohrmann rules, we need to find the value inside the bracket, right? So 15 into 0.40. Okay, 15 into 0.40. So no worry about the decimal points. You can take directly 4 into 15. What will be the answer? 4 into 15? 60, right? So here will be the 0, right? So 4 into 15, 60. You can add this 0 here. Okay. So we need to give the decimal point before 2 digit, right? So we need to give the decimal point here before 2 digits. So what will be the answer of 0.406, right? So our conclusion is 6 power 4, right? Divided by 1080 by 30, right? So 1080 by 30. 0 cancel. 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9, carry 1. So 18 means 6 3s are 18, right? So 36 will be the answer. So 36 power 4, right? The next things, multiply 27 into 8. 27 into 8. 8 7s are 56, right? 56, carry 5. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5, 21. So 216. So 216 power 4, right? Equal to 3 into 2. So 6 power question mark plus 5. So we can take question mark by x, right? So 6 power x plus 5. Okay, this is the first step. Move to the next second step. 6 power 4, right? Here divided by 36 power 4 into 216 power 4. So look at this step. We need to find the value of 6 power x plus 5. So we need to this value comes with 6 power only. Then only we can identify the value of 6 power x plus 5. Because for example, here will be the 6 power x plus 5, right? So we need to find this value comes with 6 power only. Okay, for example 6 power, conclude this all the values 6 power 12. Okay, here will be the 6, here will be the 6. Then only we can identify the value of 12 equal to x plus 5, right? So 12 equal to x plus 5, the power value. So our target is x value. So what will be the answer? 12 minus 5, right? So x equal to 7. So we need to conclude these all the values comes with 6 power of 6 only, right? Okay. Move to the next second step. 6 power 4. Here will be the 6. So no worry about this one. Divided by 36. So we need to conclude 6 power, right? So we can take this 36, 6 power 2. 4 as it is 4. Okay. Into 216. So we can take 6 power 3, right? 216. So 6 power 3 is 216, right? 4 power 4 as it is equal to 6 power x plus 5. Third step. See, the right hand side also 6 power, the left hand side also 6 power. So we need to conclude the same only one value, okay, right? So 6 power, here will be the 4, right? 4. If it is divided means you have to subtract the value, subtract the power value, right? So I will take the next step. 6 power 4 divided by 6 power 2 into 4, 6 power 8, right? Because a power m into n, this is the formula, right? A power mn. So you need to multiply the power value. So as it is, I conclude this value, okay? 6 power 8 into 6 power 3 fours are 12, right? 12 equal to 6 power x plus 5. Okay, this is the formula. As per the formula, I conclude this value 6 power 8, right? Okay. Then we need to add the power value because the base value is same, right? So 6 power 4, here will be the divided. So you can take minus value, minus 8 minus 12, sorry, plus 12 because multiply. So if it is divided means you can take subtract value. If it is multiply means you can take plus value, okay? Because the formula will be a power m into a power n, right? So a power m plus n. As per the formula, I conclude this value, okay? One more, a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n, okay? As per the formula, I conclude this value equal to 6 power x plus 5, okay? So the both side, the base value is same, right? 6, here will be the 6. So 6 power, here you can add the plus value, then you can subtract. So 12 plus 4, 16. 16 minus 8, 8, right? Equal to 6 power x plus 5. So both sides the value is the same. So you can directly solve the x value, okay? So x plus 5 equal to 8, okay? So our target is x value, right? So x equal to 8 minus 5. So 8 minus 5, x value is 3. So you can move to, the answer will be 3. So no worry about the question length, okay? You can solve the question by easy way. Okay, let's move to the next example. 7 power 2.3 into 49 power 4.7 into 63 power 3.4 into 81 power 5.85 equal to 63 power what? Okay, so let's move to the solution. So our target is 63 power, the power of 63, what will be the answer, right? So already I told in my last example, if they are asking the power value, the base value will be the same in both sides, right? So our conclusion is 63 power, right? So you need to conclude these all the values comes with power of 63, right? Okay, see here will be the 63. So we can't find the value of 63 power, the power of 63 in all the value. So for that, instead of 63, we can find the values 9 into 7, right? So 9 into 7 is 63. So we can find the value power of 9 power or 7 power. So we need to conclude this value comes with 9 power, power of 9 or 7, power of 7, okay? Because we can't find the power of 63, we can't conclude these all the values comes with 63, okay? Let's move to the first step. 7 power 2.3 into 49 power 4.7, okay? So 7 power 2.3 into, so we can take 49 7 square, right? Whole power 4.7 into 63. So we can take 9 into 7, right? Then only we can identify the power of 63. So 9 into 7 power 3.4 into 81, right? So we can take 81 as it is, 9 power square, sorry, 9 square whole power 5.85, okay, equal to 63 power x. Move on second step. 7 power 2.3 into, okay, 7 power 2 into 4.7, right? So we can take 7 power 2 into 4.7. What will be the answer? 247, 94, right? So 9.4, okay, into, you can take the value separate, okay? So 9 power 3.4 into 7 power 3.4, okay, into 9 power 2 into 5.85, right? So 2 into 5.85. So 5 2s are, so you can add the value, that is 0, carry 1, 8, 8, 16, 17, carry 1, 11. So 11.70, right? So 9 power 11.70 equal to 63 power x. Okay. Now we can separate the value of 7 and 9. Okay. Where it is in 7? The 3 7s are there. Okay. So 7 power 2.3 plus, here will be 3.4, right? Sorry, here will be 9.4. Power 9.4 plus, here will be 3.4, right? 3.4. Because we can add the power value. If it is, the base value will be the same when if it is multiply. Okay. Into, where it is 9, here will be 9, here will be 9. So 9 into 3.4, okay, plus 11.70, right? Now you can add the power value, 2.3, 9.4, 3.4, right? So 4, 4, 8, 8 3s are 8 plus 3, 11, right? So 11, carry 1, 4, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. So 15.5, sorry, 15.1, right? Into 9 power. 9 power 3.4 plus 11.70, right? 11.70, 3.4, 0, 7 plus 4, 11, carry 1, 1, 2, 5, 1. So 15 point, same. The power value will be the same, 15.1, okay? Equal to, as it is, 63 power x, okay? Now you can multiply this value, 7 into 9, what will be the answer? 63, okay? The power will be the same, 63 power 15.1 equal to 63 power x. So our target is x value, right? So you can take directly x equal to 15.1, okay? So the answer will be 15.1, okay? You know so the question may be like this. Our target value is 63 power. So we can't conclude these all the values comes with 63. So you can take directly 9 into 7. So you can take 9 power or 7 power. Then only you can conclude the 63 power. The power of 63. Okay. Let's move on to the next example. Let's move on to the final example. 5 root 7 plus root 7 into 4 root 7 plus 8 root 7 minus 19 square equal to question mark. Okay. Let's move to the solution. 5 root 7 plus root 7. So you can add the value, right? So 5 root 7 plus 1 root 7. The value will be 6 root 7. Okay. The next step, into 4 root 7 plus 8 root 7. So the value will be 12 root 7. Okay. So if it is the root value will be the same, then only you can add the value. If it is the root value will be different, you can't add the value. Okay. So here the root value will be the same. So you can add 4 plus 8, 12 root 7 minus 19 square. So 19 square, what will be the answer? 19 into 19. Okay. So 9 9s are 81. 1, carry 8. 9 1s are 8, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. Okay. 9, 1. So 1, 6, 3. So 361. So you should know the power value of, you should know the square value up to 20. Okay, so don't waste your time to find the square value. Okay, okay, 12 root 7, 6 root 7 into 12 root 7 minus 361. Okay, equal to x. So the question will be the x. Move to the second step. 6 root 7, 12 root 7. Okay, so we can multiply 6 into 12, then root 7 into root 7. The answer will be 7, right? So because root 7 into root 7 power square. So square root will be the cancel. The answer will be 7. Okay. Minus 361 equal to x. Okay. Next. So as per the Boltzmann rules, we need to find the multiply value. Then only you can subtract. Okay. Here already I told you can't find the value of whole value. Okay. So here you need to find the shortcut way. Okay. Because look at the option 143, 72 root 7, 134, 7 root 7. Okay. So here our target value is x value, right? So here the answer will be in whole number. So there is no chance 72 root 7, 70 root 7. Okay. So remaining things are 143, 134. So we need to conclude these two values only. Okay. Here already I told the shortcut way. 6 into 2. What will be the last digit value? Comes with 2, right? Because 2 6 are 12. Okay. Into 7, right? So 7 into 2, 14. So the last digit value is 4. Okay. Here 4 minus 1, because the last digit value is 4. Here last digit is 1. So 4 minus 1, last digit value is 3. So where is the last digit is 3? 143. Okay. So you need to find the whole value. Okay. By shortcut way you can identify the answer using last digit value. Okay. If it is 143, the option also 243, then only you need to find the whole value. Okay. The answer will be 143. Understand? Okay friends, now I completed my part 2 section for simplification. If you like this video, please share to your friends, and for any updated videos, please subscribe our channel. And already I uploaded our material regarding aptitude, reasoning and professional knowledge. We are uploaded in our Facebook page. The Facebook page is Kanavu Kanagal Group. The link will be provided in below this video. Okay, if you like this video, please share to your friends. Thank you.